how it happens. One minute, you're just another awkward second grader. And then your mum takes you and your brother out to the country to visit her friend's house. You get out of the car and there's this big yellow dog wagging his tail at you. Your mum and your brother, they go and ring the doorbell and you get down on your knees in front of this friendly dog and start petting him. And then suddenly, the dog snaps his jaws and life as you know it ends. It happens so fast. It happens so fast that you're not even sure how it happened. It feels like an intensely sharp pain and it's going straight for your face quickly. There's blood, there's a lot of blood. You yell out to your mum and run towards her. She turns round and when she sees you, she screams out in horror, covers your brother's eyes and screams at him, "Don't look!" And that's how these things happen, I guess. That's how it happened to me. Anyway. The dog, he never barked, he never growled. He still came after me playful and friendly. Blood was pouring from the holes in my face and there he was wagging his tail and looking up at me. My mother got my jacket from the car and told me to hold it tight against my face. I was crying. I felt so panicked. I felt like I was choking. At the hospital, the nurses, they were coming in, clearing up the blood, asking questions, trying to establish how much of my face was still there and whether the nerve endings were still alive. The nurses, they were really friendly and they wanted me to trust them and I did. I really believed them when they said that the doctors would be able to fix me. My father didn't know. He couldn't even look at me directly. He kept staring at the blank space in the wall above me, just saying, "You're being so brave." But I didn't feel brave. I was still crying quietly, holding this cotton against my face. I just wanted it to be over. I just wanted to go home. I was lying on this table, squinting into the bright lights above me. I couldn't feel the stitches, but if I looked out the right corner of my eye, I could see the silver needle going up and down, so I just looked away. There was a lot of talking. Half of it I couldn't really understand, and the other half they were just telling me how brave I was being, but that's because they didn't know how afraid I was feeling. You weren't allowed to cry because you'd mess up the stitches. You weren't allowed to move at all, actually. They kept telling me that it'd be over soon. They lied. I was conscious the entire time. I was awake when they were sewing my face back together. And they eventually let me look at my face. I was prepared for a Halloween mask, something from a horror. But the blood, it had been wiped away and there were just neat rows of stitches. I was kind of relieved, actually. But then school started and that's when the real trauma began.